I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the card balance and expiry. That ensures you won't pick items exceeding value. Once done, choose online or in-store redemption. Make sure to have your government ID, purchase invoice, and card PIN at hand. If online, log into the retailer account before browsing. If in-store, head to customer service with the card and ID. This first step prevents delays and lets you focus on valid items within your card's value, while preserving proof for returns. You now execute the core transaction. For online purchases, enter the card code in the payment or coupon field at checkout, then verify the new total so shipping and taxes are covered. Make sure the system accepts gift cards for that SKU. For in-store, hand the physical card and ID to the cashier and request balance application before finalizing. If the card doesn't cover full cost, use split payment. Apply the gift card first, then complete remaining payment with another method to avoid errors. You finish by obtaining a receipt that documents the applied amount and any remaining card balance. That protects you for returns. Then confirm return and exchange policies specific to gift card purchases so you know rights if items need changing. If the card is rejected, check 3 things. The code was entered correctly, the card hasn't expired, and it was activated at point of sale. If issues persist, contact customer support with your receipt and card details to resolve activation or balance errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.